Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Log In. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Dime Bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search Dime Bank Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to www.dimebank.com. It will then take you to the official website of Dime Bank. Then on the top right corner, click to sign in. Then choose between personal account or business account. It will then redirect you to a login page. Once the page has been loaded up, enter your user ID, then enter your password. Then click login. Then you should be able to access your Dime Bank account. If you have forgot your user ID or password, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Password or Forgot User ID. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.